softly, tragic skies. Today I'm sharing with you some of the most devastating plane crashes in US history. These stories remind us of the fragile nature of air travel and the importance of aviation safety. Let's start with the latest tragedy. On January 30th, 2025, an American Airlines jet carrying 60 passengers and 4 crew members collided with a U.S. Army helicopter while landing at Ronald Reagan National Airport in Washington, D.C. Sadly, there were no survivors. The aftermath was heart-wrenching, and the investigation into what caused this devastating collision is ongoing. But this isn't the first time the U.S. has witnessed such heartbreak. On February 12, 2009, a Colgan Air flight crashed near Buffalo, New York. All 49 passengers and crew on board perished, along with one person on the ground. The crash was a stark reminder of the critical importance of pilot training and adherence to safety protocols. Going further back, the history of aviation has been marred by numerous other tragedies. In 1982, Air Florida Flight 90 crashed into the icy Potomac River shortly after takeoff from Washington National Airport. The crash claimed 78 lives, including 4 motorists on the bridge it struck. The chilling images of that day still linger in the collective memory of those who witnessed the rescue efforts. Another devastating incident occurred on July 19, 1989, when United Airlines Flight 232 crashed in Sioux City, Iowa. The aircraft suffered a catastrophic failure of its tail-mounted engine, leading to a loss of flight controls. Miraculously, out of the 296 people on board, 184 survived due to the heroic efforts of the crew and emergency responders. However, 112 lives were still lost, leaving a lasting impact on aviation safety regulations. And who could forget the horrific crash of American Airlines Flight 587 on November 12, 2001? The Airbus A300 crashed into the Bell Harbor neighborhood of Queens, New York, shortly after takeoff, killing all 260 people on board and 5 on the ground. The crash, occurring just 2 months after 9/11's, shattered an already grieving nation. These tragedies have prompted significant advancements in aviation safety, but they also serve as sobering reminders of the risks associated with air travel. Each loss is a profound human tragedy, leaving behind grieving families and communities. As aviation enthusiasts, it's important to remember these events, not just for their historical significance, but to honor the memories of those who lost their lives and to advocate for continuous improvements in aviation safety. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video meaningful, consider subscribing for more content on aviation history and safety. Let's continue to honor those we've lost by making our skies safer. Stay safe, and until next time, this is